Hi you guys, since I have COVID, I'm going to film some more because I have nothing else to do. And today I've decided to try the Essence lip gloss that they've showed on their Instagram. You know, the ones where they put a little bit of highlighter, a little bit of red lipstick into this what the fake lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss, literally this specific one, and I can't believe what I'm about to do to it. My poor boy, he's about to be destroyed. But yeah, I'm here. I'll put the video here so you can see what they're doing. But yeah, as you can see, they're kind of like taking a little bit of highlighter, taking a little bit of red lippy, and they're kind of putting it in the tube. So that is what I'm going to do. You're gonna have to excuse my Essence highlighter. She's seeing some things, trying to get as much of the highlighter as possible. Then back into the tube we go. Now mix. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing that to my poor boy. And I don't know if you guys can see it. The highlighter was mixed in. Now it's time for the lipstick. And this is another Essence product. I decided to have everything Essence. This is just their Hydra Matte lipstick in the shade 408. Pink Positive. That's the name of the shade. And it's this really gorgeous pinkishy red that I absolutely adore. Get some of the product and just rub the lip gloss wand all over it. I'm concentrating on this real hard, you guys. I think I'm gonna need some more of the red lipstick because I think in their video Essence used liquid lipstick, but I don't have any Essence liquid lipstick, so I'm using this one. And there she is. Actually, I really like this color. And right now I have nothing on my lips, so I'm going to get my mirror and we're going to see what everything is about. And in a second I'm going to show you a close-up. I hope I don't regret ruining my favorite lip gloss. Oh my god, this is pretty. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, I like this a lot. I love it. I like it. I really do. I didn't expect that. Okay, I don't hate it. In fact, I really like the color. I like how the red mixed in with the blue made this really pretty color, and the shine. The gloss originally had a lot of glitters in it, but the highlighter just made it a bajillion times better. I'm going to show you a close-up and a swatch on my hand. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous.